Alright, welcome to this brand new KEVVLOG. Thanks a lot for tuning in again. We are heading to Hermanus with my good friend Gijsie. Glad to have you back on the vlog. I know some of you have seen him before. It's about a 2-hour drive, I think, or an hour and a half. And the wind is looking good.
Gracias.
Gracias, gracias.
1218. Voor de branding.
Voor de branding. There we go. Hey, Lasse Walker!
Yo, G!
Zijn jullie al bijna weg?
What's up?
Wij gaan met 5 minuten zijn wij weg.
Top.
5 minuten.
Sick, ouwe.
Wij warmen wel alvast de spot op. It's like the good old days. Gijs is here, Lasse is gonna come and join as well, and some other people are coming. We're getting in the mood with some tunes. Woo! And let the driving begin. To the spot, and it's definitely looking a little bit different than before, but we are here. Look at that.
Let's check it out.
There's no more water. There's a big sandbar there now. Definitely a little bit different. Guys, what happened?
Yesterday no wind. Now we have no water.
No water. I guess we're gonna kite on the ocean then, which is also good. Or we go a little further down in the lagoon and there might be some water there. I'm sure we're gonna find some water. Don't eat too much, dude. You can't. All right, on a little mission to find some water. Look, the tide is coming up. Holy shit. Almost got caught by the wave. Look at the current. Hey Lasse!
Oh,
Back in the vlog.
is it?
I
New
don't know.
camera.
New camera, new setup.
New chances.
New chances. There we go. Are you ready? What size are you taking?
10.
7?
7. No, I don't have a 7.
Don't have a 7. Okay, now I think we're going all on a 10. So the mission for today is we're going to kite here in the lagoon with all the guys first. And then...
The lagoon is gone, by the way.
Yeah.
Anyone that wants to come to Hermanus?
Don't go.
Don't go.
And then we're going to kite out on the ocean. There's some big waves.
Nu!
Go!
Go!
Ja! Ja! Oh! Ah, super! Guys! Lekker, Gijs! Gijs is testing his relaunch. Woo! We're laughing at Gijs, but I did exactly the same thing. Sandbar's pretty big. A little bit of running. Oh, the wind is now, first step, you want to see how big the waves are on the outside. Definitely breaking really, really far up.